What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode of SHARKNOMZ, where we eat stuff, sometimes weird, and sometimes appetizing, and then we tell you about it. What do we have today?
Ooh, today is Sour Patch Kids cereal.
How is it every time we do this it gets weirder?
I don't know. I didn't think it was possible, but I spotted these at the Walmart and thought that has to be a video. There's just no question.
Well, every time we go to the theater, that's the only candy she eats.
I love Sour Patch Kids.
I mean, I guess I like them. I don't know if I love them enough to put them in cereal, but like, I'll tell you what, if we open this box and there's just gummies in the cereal, cereal's canceled.
That's my kind of cereal. Just sugar with extra sugar.
Open it up.
Alrighty.
I'm not. I mean, there's no way it's gummies. If there's gummies in this cereal.
It is not gummies.
Okay. It's probably just going to be like, you know, normal cereal sweets with that kind of sugar coated on it, the soury sugar.
Yeah, the thing that I'm worried about, honestly, is that, you know, that like wheat flavor that cereal has. I don't think that's going to be very good with sour.
I don't know.
All right.
Well, pour some in there. Hold on. Smell test first. Does it smell like Sour Patch Kids? Okay, it smells...
Oh, I can smell it. Yeah.
It's really strong.
Wow.
It smells just like you open a bag of Sour Patch Kids.
It's like Sweet Tarts. No, not Sweet Tarts. Sprees.
Sprees?
Yeah.
Well, so a lot of times when we do flavored stuff on this channel, it never tastes like what it's supposed to be flavored here. Fill it up. Let's go. Put them in there. Don't be shy.
There we go.
What a bowl full. All right, let's eat one. Let's probably eat one first without milk. I'm going to go green.
They're kind of creepy looking. They're like, look, eating children.
They're sour. I've never had sour cereal. I mean, they're not, you know how, like, the first Sour Patch Kid you eat kicks you in the teeth?
Yeah.
They're not that sour, but they're sour. I mean,
Yeah. You definitely taste it.
Okay, I don't think I had a green with the first one, because that one was sour.
I had a green one first. That was like, whoa.
All right, put some milk in there.
I like it. Kind of like Fruit Loops.
I'm glad you got the big spoons and not the baby spoons. Though there's nothing worse on earth. Nothing is worse than eating cereal with a baby spoon. I'd go bigger than this if I had it, but this is the biggest we got. I mean, unless you want to start getting the ladle out. All right. So we have to do kind of two versions of this. We got to get the crunchy bite. Whoop! Oops. I just spilled it. Hold on. Let me save those. You got to get a crunchy bite, and then you got to let it get soggy, and then we'll try another bite.
I like it.
This is not breakfast.
I like it. No, it's not breakfast.
This is a bowl full of candy.
Definitely a late night snack.
You know what? I think I'd rather eat this late at night without milk, just like it's candy. But it's like a less intense version of the candy is what it tastes like.
I like it a lot. It's really good.
I feel like I'm being punched in the teeth. It tastes like candy.
It tastes like Fruit Loops with extra spice.
You might as well just feed your kid donuts every morning. All right.
I had donuts all the time when I was growing up.
It's soggy a little bit in the bottom, so let's get a more saturated taste. Wait, I bet you the milk, once you've eaten all the cereal, the leftover milk for this would be the best ever.
That would be good. Yeah.
It doesn't get less sour.
No. I was kind of expecting it to.
All right, well, are you going to buy it again? Would you buy that again?
I mean, for $4 a box, it's not my favorite cereal, but yeah, I think I would, actually.
It says sour than sweet. It's sour the whole time. All right, 3.5 out of 5 stars.
I mean, I'd give it a 4 out of 5.
A 4 out of 5?
Yeah.
All right. Well, guys, go get you some Sour Patch Kids cereal. If you liked what you saw, hit that subscribe button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. I don't care. I'm still going to eat stuff and put it on YouTube. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. Come back next time. Peace out.
Hey, I'm a shark with a top hat, and I think you should subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button. I'll wait. Okay, bye.